Check in the text below, and also in the comments, I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. Townsel here. Do you need or want a small flashlight that's pretty bright? I'll send the ACEBEAM Pokelit 2AA flashlight to review. ACEBEAM, like where you want it. Pokelit 2AA, Everyday Carry Flashlight. That's what EDC stands for. I'm not going to do all of that because I don't want to connect it to my phone. There's the manufacturer's information. Made in China. So it comes with a USB charger on one end and the C charger on the other. And I'm not sure what that is yet. Instructions. User manual. So I'll read these features and check back with you. It's a very cute little light, isn't it? Has a clip. Very pretty. Alright, let's read this instruction manual. So after reading the instructions, two things. One, you have to remove this. It's a little cover for the lens. So that comes off. Then on the bottom it tells you to, before first use, unscrew the head and remove the insulating film. That's going to be that, I assume. It's a little greasy. It has a battery in it. It has 16 mAh. And here's the parameters for the batteries. You can also use alkaline batteries in it, but I'm going to charge it up, I guess, and use this. See if it works with this. Yep, and it's on. So clicking it once gives you the bright light. Second off. Do a half click or small fast click, low beam. Off. High beam. Yeah, it doesn't matter if it's a half click or a soft click. First click you get half. It's pretty bright. We're in the darkest room of the house, the interior bathroom. This is where I test all my lights and flashlights. So that's low beam. That's a low beam. Off. It's easy to do it one-handed. Hold it down a little bit harder and it goes to high beam. Well, I don't guess it makes a difference how hard you hold it down. It's just every other click you get a high beam or a low beam. That's not bad. There's no weird little dark thing in the center of it. Illuminates a pretty wide area for this size of a flashlight. Bright. On low it's like that. You have enough room to see where you're walking. Hey, when you get through those air filters or those air fresheners in your car, put them over the vents in your house, or buy new ones and do that. It does help. Okay, outdoors. That's on low. on low. It's going to be barely enough to see like where you're walking. Off. That's on high. Quite a bit more light. On high, you can see pretty far out in the woods. A lot of pollen out here. Joy, joy. On high, quite the nice light here. Very bright. On low, it's not going to be very far at all. You can't see anything out there on low, can you? It's right down in front of your feet. On high, look at all the pollen. Yuck. Look at that beautiful moon. On high, I'm more comfortable walking with it on high even. I had to go on Amazon to see where the rechargeable part was. I didn't see a port anywhere on here that would house a C cable. So on the Amazon website, you actually take the battery out and you put the C cable. It's supposed to go in here. So you're going to have like a wall adapter like that to put it in. Or you can buy one of these awesome anchor outlet extenders like I have. I have a video up about those. I'll link that for you. And you can just put it in here, and then it's going to charge that battery up. Like that. Still haven't found out what these are, but I'm still looking. Thank you for watching my video review of the ACEBEAM little flashlight. Remember, it is free to give the video a thumbs up. It's free to leave a comment. It's free to share the video. And if you'll check in the text below, I'll provide a link on how you can buy yourself or someone you love one of these. Thanks for watching. If you have time before you go, watch another video. And until we meet again, let's just keep each other safe and bright. Bye.